Chloe? Can you blow a kiss? You said mama, I heard you. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow him a kiss? Can you send some love? Blow a kiss. Blow it. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow it? Chloe, blow a kiss. Mwah. Baby. You sending them kisses. Can you blow it? Like this? Chloe? Can you blow a kiss? Thank you. Can you do another one? Can you say happy birthday and blow a kiss? Blow kisses. Kisses. Yes. Blow a kiss, baby, please. Okay, I guess this is all you're getting. But she's sending it. Say love you. Mwah.